The U.S. Department of Agriculture has issued conditional approval for a bird flu vaccine for use in chickens. The vaccine from manufacturer Zoetis is one of multiple targeting bird flu in poultry. According to the USDA, avian flu has been confirmed in 146 flocks in the past month, affecting more than 20 million birds. 34 million egg-laying hens have been culled since December. Not all those birds necessarily tested positive for avian flu, but were members of a flock where a case was confirmed. Among humans, there have been at least 68 confirmed cases of bird flu last year, according to the CDC. One person has died from the disease. Over the weekend, Ohio's health department reported the fourth case of a person being hospitalized for bird flu. CBS News medical contributor Dr. Celine Gounder joins us on set. She's also the editor-at-large for public health at KFF Health News. So we've been talking about bird flu for quite a bit. I mean, is now the time when people really need to start paying attention with the number of cases that we have? I mean, those are pretty extraordinary numbers.
I think to put this into context, it would be helpful for people to understand how a pandemic bird flu emerges. And we have a graphic, I think, that's going to come up on screen here to help illustrate this. So the bird flu can infect birds as well as mammals, which include pigs, cattle, and cats. People can get infected with the bird flu when they come into close contact with infected animals. So farm workers, for example, are at high risk for infection. At the same time, people can get infected with the regular human flu during winter flu season. And so a person could get infected with both the human flu and the bird flu at the same time, especially if, say, they're a farm worker or someone else who comes into close contact with infected animals. So now the flu virus is made up of 8 different pieces of genetic material. When you have different flu strains infect a person or another animal at the same time, those flu strains can swap parts. And that's how you make a new hybrid flu strain. These new hybrid flu strains can be especially dangerous because now you can get the human-to-human spread, and that can spark a pandemic.
What is a horror movie? I mean, that is terrifying.
It's Frankenstein, right? You know, that's how you get these super scary Frankenstein flus. And the problem is we don't know. It's sort of like the more times you have an animal infected, a person infected with the bird flu, at the same time as seasonal flu, we have no way of predicting exactly